Understanding designer outlets. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's all about shopping and fashion: designer outlets. If you love finding high-quality fashion at more affordable prices, then you'll enjoy learning about this. Let's explore what designer outlets are and how they differ from regular retail stores. Designer outlets are special types of retail stores where you can find products from well-known fashion brands at reduced prices. Unlike regular stores, these outlets offer clothes, accessories, and sometimes home goods from previous seasons or overstock items. The key point here is that everything is authentic but sold at a lower price than what you would find in a brand's flagship store. You might wonder why these items are more affordable. Well, there are a few reasons. 1. Overstock. Sometimes brands produce more items than they sell. Outlets buy these surplus goods and sell them at a discount. 2. Last season's fashion. Fashion changes fast. Items that were in a few months ago might not be on the trend list today. These out-of-season items often find their place in outlets. 3. Minor defects. Occasionally, items with small imperfections, which are often barely noticeable, are sent to outlets instead of main brand stores. Shopping at a designer outlet can be quite different from your regular mall. Here's what makes it unique. Variety of brands. Outlets often house many different brands, offering a wide range of products in one location. The hunt for deals. Finding a great deal can require some hunting and patience, as the stock is sometimes limited or varied in sizes. Seasonal sales. Apart from the regular lower prices, outlets also have sales, making the deals even sweeter. To make the most out of your outlet shopping experience, consider these tips. Know what you're looking for. Have a clear idea of what you need to avoid impulse buys. Check the item thoroughly. Since some items might have minor defects, inspect them carefully before purchasing. Be aware of return policies. Outlet return policies can be different from regular stores, so it's good to know the terms before you buy. Designer outlets offer a great way to access high-end fashion at more reasonable prices. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or just looking for a good deal, understanding what designer outlets are and how they operate can make your shopping experience much better. We hope this video has shed some light on the world of designer outlets. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.